Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, look, I know y'all looking at this hair like that is so pretty. I love it. Give us the deets, give us the deets. Well, I will go ahead and give y'all the deets, but I have a lot to say. So make sure you guys, stay tuned to really hear about the specs of this hair. Now, this is a closure unit. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do more closure units, and the main reason is like why I haven't been really doing them is because I haven't been receiving them a lot. A lot of people want frontals. They're in demand for frontals, so that's why, I've been getting a lot of frontals, but I ain't forgot about no closures, child, okay? All right, because if you do them right, they will definitely look good and look like a frontal, okay? So this is a closure. This isn't one of those 6 by whatever closures. This is a extended closure. This is just a regular old-fashioned closure. Nothing special about the closure. I just kind of did it up because I don't like the regular closure look, so I just plucked it and I put my own spin on it. I do have a video on exactly how I made this wig, okay? So make sure you guys check down below, because I will definitely leave the link on how I put this wig together, the wig cap that I use, and everything like that. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I did put this wig on without any adhesive. Yes, without any adhesive. Y'all, you guys, when I wear closure wigs, I don't use adhesives. I make my wigs, it really depends on the wig cap and the way you make your wigs, as far as the wig cap and the dome head, okay? Your styrofoam head or whatever kind of canvas head you use, okay? So I know my exact measurements, and on top of the cap that I use, you guys know I have been using like this newer type cap. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I cannot find the picture of the cap, but if I remember, I will put a picture somewhere in the video, or you guys could just refer to the link below, and I have the exact picture, well, packaging in that video. So I started using that cap, and I just love it. So whatever, I make my frontal wigs with it, and I also make my closure wigs with it. And like I said, there's absolutely no adhesive at all. The wig is snug. It fits me well. This wig isn't going anywhere, and it's just awesome. I just laid my baby hairs a little bit, just a little soft lay with I just laid them soft with like some, what is this stuff called? Some foam, okay? My mind is all over the place, okay? So yeah, that is the specs on this. Just did a little side part. I just love this look. It's just everything. Curls popping. I did manipulate this hair, and I let it air dry on my mannequin head, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And I didn't put anything but some foam in it. I didn't put anything else in the hair. All I put it was some foam in it, and combed it out and let it air dry and kind of fluffed it out a bit. All right, so let's get into the specs. This hair does come from Nadula Hair Company. I have the Brazilian curly 22-inch 224s and a 20-inch closure, okay? Links will be down below, but let's get into the bread and butter. Let me really get into my thoughts on this hair, okay? Y'all, I'm not feeling it. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it okay or whatever. Y'all already know when I'm not feeling something, I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel. This ain't it. I feel like we missed the mark. Well, I feel like they missed the mark. Now, this hair does look beautiful, okay? I can give that to them. It looks nice. Heck, I even want to wear this on my cruise when I go out of town in a couple months. Like, this hair is popping, okay? Popping. And then it's not a frontal, it's a closure. So, it's just popping. But the moral of the story is this hair was very, very hard to work with. Now, you guys know my spiel, all hair sheds, okay? And it does, or whatever. That's just the reality of it all. All hair sheds. You're going to get a little bit of tangling. It shouldn't be anything unbearable, okay? But with movement, things are going to tangle, especially with, like, curly hair. The curls going to intertwine. You're going to get some tangling, okay? This just comes with it, and you are going to have to manipulate it. Y'all know that's my big words when it comes to curly hair or wavy hair and things like that. Manipulation and all that kind of jazz. However, with this hair, that has completely went out the window. This hair, like I said, was extremely hard to work with. Okay, it reacted like some sort of like beauty supply store hair, like I don't know, some kind of blend hair or something, y'all. And I'm keeping it 100. I'm just keeping it okay. It reacted like some kind of blend hair. I wanted to love this hair so much. I really did want to love it, but from the tangling, tangling tangling, look, I'm like Soulja Boy, tangling was terrible. Okay, it was terrible. The hair tangle like crazy, gets really dry, and it just mats up and it sheds, and I can't get with it. I can't get with it, especially when I have worked with Nadula hair before, and I've had some pretty okay experiences. I actually went back on some other curly hair I had from Nadula, and I had some similar problems on the initial review, but I was saying, and I watched the exact video, my exact words were, okay, well, maybe this is just how the hair is initially. I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna get the feel of it, I'm gonna see how it works out, and we'll go from there. Honey, okay? This ain't it. Okay, like I said, it's pretty. You do as you please, whether you want to purchase or try it out or not. I work with a lot of hair. Okay, you guys already know. Okay, I work with a lot of hair. I think I kind of know, the difference between good hair, bad hair, and I kind of know how to work with hair. I know people gonna say she ain't a beautician, she don't know what she doing. I kind of know. Well, if I don't know, I got an idea. Okay, been doing this ain't no walk. My first little walk in the park. You feel me? This ain't it. They need to go back to the drawing board with this. They need to work on it. Then again, I could have got sent a bad batch. There are certain such thing as bad batches and things like that. I'm not trying to take up for anybody or whatever. I'm saying I could have gotten a bad batch or something of that sort. I don't know. But like I said, the washing process, shedding, tangling, matting, couldn't really even comb the hair out. Now, you guys know how it is when you get curly hair along, just like with our natural hair. Before you submerge that hair into water, you wash it, do anything to it, you need to make sure you comb out all the kinks and curls. And then you go in and do what you have to do with the hair. You have to get all the knots, curls, everything out of it. And then you wet it, wash it, do whatever. I did that to this hair. It was hard to get through or whatever. You guys know how curly hair is. Once you comb it all the way out, it bushes up real big. So that's what it did. So I said, well, let me go ahead and wash it. I put a little conditioner. I deep condition. I did everything to this hair. Baby, this hair didn't say da-da. It didn't snap back. It didn't say nothing or whatever. I was like, okay. Still try to give it the benefit of the doubt. Still try to kind of work with it. It just wasn't working out for me. It just wasn't. And for that very reason, I can't recommend this particular hair. As far as the company goes, yeah, I'm going to say the company is pretty daggone good. They're nice or whatever. The shipping was fast. The company is cool. I never had a problem when they do a hair company at all. Probably going to be a problem now. They're probably not going to want to work with me again. And they're probably going to want me to delete the video. So they're probably never going to work with me again. And that's okay. Or whatever. That's all right. But like I said, this ain't it. This ain't it. And I hate it because it's a pretty good company, man. Like I said, I received some pretty good hair from them. And this right here, this don't make it. So anyways, move this mirror over here. Anyways, guys, that's all I pretty much gotta say. Y'all know I get to rambling on, but I don't have a lot to say. Like I said, you guys can see the hair up front. It's pretty. It's very pretty. But you guys have to remember, everything that glitters isn't gold. Something can be beautiful on here, but sometimes it's just not all sopped up what it really is. You feel me? You know what I'm saying, or whatever. So yes, the hair is pretty if manipulated right, styled right, the right product is put in it, it'll be nice. The tangling and matting and shedding, it's a go for me. And y'all already know I'm the all hair shed. I'm the queen. I've been saying that for years. I'm the queen. This ain't it. This one's shedding a little too much. Talking about hair balls, sis. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, do as you please. All the links will be down below. Hopefully no one thinks that this video is negative, because everybody calls me a negative Nancy. But if you think it's negative, then that's on you, sis. Anyways, questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Y'all already know the spiel, and I'll definitely get back to y'all on my next one.